It's Rob from Intrinsic Dev with a short video showing you how to deploy our profile for the TP Link HS100 smart plug. To start, we're going to unzip the files that we'll have downloaded. I have them here on this USB stick. So just a quick double click and macOS will take care of that for us. We'll just check that inside we've got everything we need. We should find an XML file, an icon file, and an HTML documentation file, plus a folder full of supporting documentation. Now in Blueprint, I already have a partly configured project that we're going to import this to. Importing a profile happens inside Preferences. We go to Racepoint Blueprint in the top left corner, then down to Preferences, Libraries, and now we select the library we're going to import the profile to. So I click here on the profile library name and then click the import button down in the bottom right corner. I'm going to navigate to the profile that I've just downloaded. Now the profile itself is an XML file. So we'll see here that when I click on that, the icon has been identified correctly, and this will actually import everything that's needed. The XML of the profile, the icon, and also the HTML help files as well. So now we can click import, and we have to wait for just a second or two whilst Blueprint imports and processes those files. Okay, once it's finished, the Preferences pane will now show us that the TP Link HS100 profile is in this custom library. So to use this, I'm going to need to use the library. I can do a search for HS100. We will find this listed right here, HS100 Kasa smart plug. I'm going to drop this into the office, give that a label, office lamp. When I drag this into my configuration, I can see that there's just one port on there, just a single Ethernet port that represents the Wi-Fi connection to the network. I'm going to need to connect this somewhere, so I'm going to drag in a generic network switch. There we go. Now, like all IP controlled devices, when I make this connection, Blueprint will ask me for the IP address, which I can type in there. That's more or less it. When I generate services, I should find that I now have a service for my office lamp. Although being a relay service, here we are, a general relay controlled device service, Blueprint has chosen to enable this but not show this. If I want a button on my user interface to show up directly, I need to tick this show button. So I can do that. Now click done. That's more or less it. Just to highlight, we have full documentation on this profile, so if you get stuck, just click on the documentation button. We have profile notes, and also those HTML documentation files that you saw earlier are available right here inside Blueprint. That's it. Cheers.